Permutation. A permutation is an arrangement of objects taken from a group where the order is important.
Example number 1. How many different arrangements can be made using ABC? The value of n is equal to 3. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6 ways.
Example number 2. In how many different ways can we arrange 4 books in the shelf from a group of 9? Formula: NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. The value of n here is 9 and the value of r is 4. Now we are going to substitute the formula with 9 factorial over 9 minus 4 factorial equals 9 factorial over 5 factorial equals 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. We're going to cancel out the 5 because it is duplicate numbers and the remaining number is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 equals 3,024 ways.
Example number 6. 10 hospitals are made of nurses if there are 4 qualified applicants. How many ways can they assign? Formula: NCR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. The value of n is equal to 10. The value of r is equal to 4. 10 factorial over 10 minus 4 factorial is equal to 10 factorial over 6 factorial equal 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. We are going to eliminate 6 is equal to 5,040 ways.
Number 4. In how many ways can a student government select a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer from a group of 6? Formula: NPR equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial. The value of n equals to 6. The value of r equals to 4. Equals to 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial. Equals to 6 factorial over 2 factorial. Equals to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. Cancel number 2. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 equal to 360 ways.
Example number 5. In how many ways 3 students can be chosen and arranged from 5 students to sit in a room? Formula: NPR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. The value of n is equal to 5 total numbers of students. The value of r is equal to 3 number of students to be arranged. 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Cancel out 2 times 1 because it is duplicate number. Equals to 60 ways.
Combination. A combination is a way of selecting items from a collection where the order of selection does not matter.
Number 1. In how many ways can we choose to dessert menu of 5? Formula: NCR is equal n factorial r over r factorial times n minus r factorial. The value of n is equal 5. The value of r is equal 2. Equal 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 minus 2 factorial is equal 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial is equal 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. Cancel out 3 times 2 times 1 over is equal 20 over 2. 20 divided by 2 is equal 10.
Example number 2. In how many ways can a committee of 5 be selected from class of 8 students? Formula: NCR equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. The value of n equals to the value of r equals 5. 8 factorials over 5 factorials times 8 minus 5 factorials times 8 factorials over 5 factorials times 3 factorials equals 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 4 times 1. The answer of 6 and 5 equals 56.
Example number 2. Given of 10 students, they are chosen to pick up books from class. Formula: NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. The value of n is equal to 10. The value of r is equal to 3. equals 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 10 minus 3 factorials equals 10 factorials over 3 factorials times 7 factorials equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, 3 times 2 times 1, cancel out 7 equals 720 over 6 equals 120.
How many ways can a student government select a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer from a group of 6 people? Formula NPR equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial. The value of n is 6, the value of r is 4. 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial equal to 6 factorial over 2 factorial equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Cancel out the 2 equal to 360 days.
6 to be sure everyone else how many games will they have to play? Formula in CR equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. The value of n equals 6, the value of r equals 2 equals 6 factorial over 2 factorial times 6 minus 2 factorial equals 6 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 factorial equals 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 cancel out equals 30 over 2. 30 divided by 2 equals 15 ways.